guys, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Tree House. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Can you say hi, Teacher Shane? Hi, everyone. So guys, we read a story called Imogene's Antlers. Yeah, the story is about a girl who has antlers. And everyone in her family was wondering, how did she get antlers on her head? The family took Imogene to a doctor and they couldn't figure out how did she get antlers. Yeah, her mother fell down. She was, bum. She passed out because she was so surprised to see her daughter has antlers. Yeah, that was a really nice story, right? Yes, it was. So guys, Teacher Shane has 4 new vocabulary words that I'm going to share with you. Are you guys ready? Say ready! All right, here we go. The first vocabulary word is antlers. Let's say it 3 times. Antlers, antlers, antlers. Do you want to know an animal that has antlers? A moose. A moose has big, long antlers. They look like a reindeer, right? Yeah, a reindeer has antlers too. Okay, guys. The next vocabulary word is chin. Yeah, let's say it 3 times. Chin, chin, chin. Can you guys show me your chin? It's right here. Teacher Shane has a big chin. Your chin is below your lips. Yeah, that's where your mouth is at. Yeah, this is called chin. Yes. All right, guys. The next vocabulary word is piano. Let's say it 3 times. Piano, piano, piano. Ding, 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 ding. That is called a piano. You sit down, you take your fingers, and you play your piano. Do you know how to play the piano? Oh, I know some of you like to play the piano. All right, guys. The next vocabulary word is breakfast. Let's say it 3 times. Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. Do you like to eat breakfast in the morning? Oh, I like to eat breakfast in the morning. It is the most important meal of the day. Yeah, you can eat eggs, bread, cereal. You can drink juice, milk. Yeah, you can have those things for breakfast. It will make you nice and strong, like me. All right, guys, great job, amazing. We just learned our 4 new vocabulary words. Yeah! Congratulations to everyone. So now, guys, we are going to review the 4 vocabulary words together. Here we go. The first vocabulary word is yes, antlers. Let's say it 3 times. Antlers, antlers, antlers. A moose has antlers. Yep. All right. The next vocabulary word is, that's right, chin. Let's say it 3 times. Chin, chin, Chin. Can you show me your chin? Great job, everyone. Chin. Okay. The next vocabulary word is that's right, piano. Let's say it 3 times. Piano, piano, piano. Great job. This is very easy for you, right? Yes, it is. Okay, the next vocabulary word is, that's right, breakfast. Let's say it 3 times. Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. Amazing! Great job, everyone. High five. Whoosh. Next high five. Whoosh. Very good, everyone. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. And I will see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye.